Everybody, happy Wednesday. Today we're going to talk about the pillars of character and the decision-making model, as you can see. So the tasks are a little bit different today, so I'm going to walk you through them really quickly, and then you guys can get started. So, pillars of character and decision-making model. First task today, please complete this stay-at-home lifestyle choice survey. Okay, if you complete this, you don't have to turn it in anywhere, so just click on this link, fill out the survey, make sure you're signed in into your Colab account to access it. Okay, that should not take you too long to do that. Watch this video here. Task 3, there's about a 11-minute video here talking about why choices matter, decision making model, and character. So you're going to need to listen to this to be able to understand how you're going to complete tomorrow's worksheet. Okay, and then it's also going to help for today's assignment as well. So watch both of these videos. The PowerPoint link is right here if you want that link. And then task 4, what you're turning in today. Okay, you're going to complete the decision-making model quick notes assignment. Okay, so that is right here, the decision-making model, the notes check. Okay, it's going to ask you a couple questions about what you learned watching the videos today. Okay, if you struggle to find these answers, rewatch this lesson today and go through the material one more time. So here's the link for the task 1 survey if you do not get that filled out at the top. And then here is what you are turning in today. Okay, so you just need to complete that and you are good to go for today. As you can see, the folder is also open for tomorrow. So if you want to just jump right ahead and finish that and do all that, go right ahead.